So I opened my new Windows 11 device, and there's this little icon right down there. I don't know what it is. Can I click it? Is it safe? Well, friends, Rick Bray with the Plick team at Broom Tiger Bose is here to tell you that little icon is Microsoft's Copilot. Copilot is Microsoft's artificial intelligence program. You may remember back in the day, the wars of all the digital assistants, there was Cortana. Well, Copilot is a generative AI platform that's run by Microsoft. And it's in preview because it lives as a standalone product. So I can click on that and I can do all sorts of stuff with it. And if you think that's cool, I'm happy for you. But I wanted to show you one other thing because I don't know how long it's going to stay as a program and how long it's going to be accessible to us. But let me tip you off as educators to the Microsoft Edge browser, and you'll see inside the Microsoft Edge browser, that symbol is up in the upper right-hand corner as well. And when I click on it or when I hover over it, there is Copilot. So I don't have to be on a Windows device in order to access it. Certainly it's a nice little added bonus, I guess. But if you have a Mac, believe it or not, yes, you can download the Microsoft Edge browser for your Mac and get Copilot. Now within Copilot, I can chat, I can ask questions, I can also compose where I can ask it to write something for me. And we notice there's all different tones, there's different formats. This is sort of a way, if you're not very experienced with prompt engineering, this sort of is a cut and paste recipe way to do it. But within chat, one of the things that we love about Copilot, number one is, as of the time of the recording for this video, it is compliant with EdLaw 2D in the way that Microsoft secures the information. So that's really awesome. But one of the other things that we like about it is you can choose your conversation style, and it tells you what's going to happen. If I go for more creative, when I hover over that, it says start an original and imaginative chat. Now, don't think chat is just like talking to an AI bot. You can totally do that if you want, but you can also have it work like ChatGPT, Magic School, all those kind of things. More balanced is going to be for, like it says, everyday informed chats, and more precise is going to be useful for fact finding. It's not quite as fun and fluent, but it's very, very good at getting information. I'm going to keep it at more balanced for right now, but I might ask it a question. For example, what is the biggest concern in U.S. education currently, right? And when I type that in and search, it's going to do its thinking and it generates a response and life is good. But here's the notice, as it's going through that learn more, it's citing where it got its information from. So in that particular case, I can click on those resources and go and see the primary source information, if you will. Most other, again, as of the time of this video, most other generative AI platforms don't give that source information, that bibliography, if you will. So as far as that use, we love Copilot for this. Again, I want to stress, at the time of this video, Copilot is not EdLaw 2D compliant for student use, and I don't even think it's available on student browsers at this time. But teachers, it's there for you. So again, that little icon, that is Copilot. It runs as a program, but you also have Copilot within the Edge browser. Really, really awesome tool.